Say a little louder.
Scuba diving.
Scuba diving and doing what?
Making butter.
Churning butter.
All right, it's getting close to the end of our evening. If I got Dale up here, Mike, if I could have a special guest, Connie, on the stage. And there were so many other people who promised they would join us. Lions! Randy, I think, oh, sorry, that was happening. I'm going to tell my son Randy, a lot of people don't know this. Hi, buddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's to you, buddy! Have you got all your cards made?
No, I thought we were going to buy them.
We'll do it tomorrow, okay? We'll make cards tomorrow, buddy.
And glue. I need glue.
Okay, we'll get glue, but now it's bedtime, okay?
Okay, I have to get ready.
Well, we'll just get ready here. We'll also, because remember, because we live in a small, whoa, look at all the people are coming now.
Are you making fun of my voice?
A little. Sit down! You know how I hate saying the same thing more than once. Okay, we have to sleep in our chairs. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get angry. We talked about using a Kleenex. Okay, I know that it's Valentine's Day soon, and I know you love stories, so I picked your favorite.
The scuba diving ButterTurner?
That's right.
Oh my God!
I know, it's the story of the scuba diving ButterTurner.
Wow. I never thought we would get that in our collection.
And once upon a time.
I see there's a DVD already started.
We like, because some stories just, you know, words just aren't enough. As the two men scuba doved and churned the butter in the magical land of underseas.
Butter?
Stanley turned to Jeffrey and said, "Look, the authors just put a bunch of strange letters because they're underwater with scuba gear."
I'll never get to sleep if you yell in my ear.
Sorry. I got excited because the book was funny.
It's so interesting that you can actually read it with your ear. Because you look that way and tell me the story. It's just something I noticed. Go on.
Okay. Yeah, well, we'll see. As the men returned, look at me, looking at the pages, the men returned to dry land with their butter in tow. They were... That's right, they hadn't been breathing for over 3 minutes where they forgot to turn their tanks on.
You call it butter? I was doing my best.
That's your best? Said Stanley.
I've been teaching you for like what?
45 years.
45 years? And it's like...
Syrup, I know.
Yes.
They brought their butter to the wholesale buying lady.
Good luck selling that one.
Oh, man. Hi, ma'am. You're looking great today. You're not.
Is she a nice lady?
Yes, she is,
You made it, you gotta sell it.
said Stanley.
My name's not Stanley.
Said Stanley.
Haven't you ever wanted to have your face look beautiful?
Said Jeffrey.
Good one, good one.
Haven't you ever wished that your balls would drop?
Suddenly, the milk wholesaling lady was called away to an important call.
This is why I thought we'd never get this book.
She had to leave quickly. And a replacement, a much nicer and less foul-mouthed woman.
Yeah, you said she was nice.
I was trying to make her nice. Turned out that... Wait a minute, let me just... All right, we'll never read that page again.
Is that the same like New Year's when the ball drops?
That's it, yes.
Celebrating?
Yes, son. That's right. It is.